Alright, we are doing the gingerbread man shot. It is 1 part of each.
Of each? What's of each?
Irish cream, Fireball, and butterscotch schnapps. So I will do 1 ounce of each. So that's 3 ounces. Good enough for a shot. I'm going to rinse this one out because that was the last one in. That's my measuring one. Okay. 1 ounce of each. Or, since I'm so quick in the head, what's 1.5 ounces times 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm.
We'll just do 1 ounce. Gives you 3 ounces. Close enough to...
Close enough for the girls I date anyway, you know?
For the 2 ounces. I don't want to open up another little bottle. Because I don't think Fireball and me are friends yet.
Just put the rest in.
Well, then you have to put a little bit more of...
No, you don't. It'll be fine.
No, you do. Because the Fireball and me are not friends yet.
Ah! Well, you're drinking the leftovers. I'm only doing 1 shot. I'm going to go to bed soon. Because it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 8 o'clock somewhere, too, if you look at that clock.
I don't just need the batteries. Okay.
What's this called?
Gingerbread man. Oh, let me find the rest of the shaker parts.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to say this is going to probably be like a 4.
As in what? Good or nastiness?
4.
What are you talking about?
Oh, why do you keep pouring more?
Because there's still more in here. You're going to get a full shot. Okay, let's go. Cheers!
Sip. Butterscotch. Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Fireball and me are still not friends.
I can't even taste the Fireball until it gets down
You
to
can taste the bite of it.
Until it gets down right to my belly button.
Nope.
Right here. All right.
Ugh. Maybe in past weeks I would say yes, highly recommend. This week,
Why?
Oh, I still taste the Fireball.
Okay then.
Fireball and I have a love-hate relationship. We have to go long periods of time before I can have more Fireball. This isn't the time yet. So, yes, for you wonderful Fireball likers, this would be excellent. For me today, it's not excellent. So, recommend, but also do not recommend. So if your life is interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit, quitters never win. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Later.